Hi, we're looking at Unit 2, Lesson 7, and question number 1, I'm going to kind of let you do some of this on your own, but the first part says how many rotational symmetries do we see over here in this figure to the right. So basically if I just picture, I'm going to start with a single point, this point here, and if I picture rotating it so that the flower shape, this is the flower of life, falls on top of itself, how many times would that happen? So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I would say there are 6 rotational symmetries. So the next part, I'm going to let you do B and C, the angles of rotation and how many line reflections. And then D says shade the figure so the resulting figure only has 3 possible rotational symmetries. So to do that, I want basically for me to only be able to rotate from here to here and here to here and then back to the original spot. So I would just shade in every other petal like this. And now there's only 3 places that you could rotate that. Moving down and looking at question number 2, we're trying to shade exactly 2 of the 9 smaller squares so that the resulting figure has these certain things. So let's just read the first one. Only 1 vertical and 1 horizontal line symmetry. So I should be able to fold this paper or this square both vertically up and down and horizontally, and I need to shade just 2 of the squares. So I'm picturing if I shade this square and this square, then I could fold this way and it would be symmetrical, and I could fold this way and it would be symmetrical. I'm going to let you try number 2. Number 3, only 1 horizontal line symmetry. So horizontal line symmetry means I should be able to fold this way, but I don't want to be able to fold this way. And so I could make that look like this, horizontal line symmetry. All right, you're going to finish up these 2. This one is symmetry about the diagonals. And we want to do both diagonals. So you need to shade 2 squares so that you can fold both ways. And this one, no lines of symmetry. So give that a try.